Embark on an incredible journey and discover a universe where innovation meets affordability. And here's the kicker: you can earn money too. These revolutionary 4 AI tools not only redefine the AI game at zero cost, but also open doors to potential earnings. Ready to revolutionize your tech experience, so buckle up for an extraordinary adventure into the future of artificial intelligence. We'll start with an ideogram. If I click over onto this top tab, you'll start to see what it can do well and where it struggles. Thus, text-based designs, logos, and drawings work really well with it. This won't perform as well as the others when it comes to photorealism or being quite particular about what you want. When you type your prompt, it will pop up with a bunch of different styles. You can choose one if you want, or just direct it with your prompt. There are then a few aspect ratios to select and produce. It returns with 4 choices. You may click Remix on the one you wish to work with, and it will create 4 more that are similar. You are free to repeat that as many as you like until you achieve your desired outcome. You can also click on the Remix on already made pictures on the ideogram. It will also generate amazing artwork that are little similar to the original work. Dall E 3 was just rolled out to pro users in ChatGPT, so you can use it there. If you have ChatGPT, bro, if not, you can use it for free in the Bing image creator. You just type your prompt and hit create. It works well with text. The best part is its prompt understanding. It's perfect when you're specific about what you want. You can use several prompts to generate an unlimited number of photos. Your prompts are refreshed every week once you register and receive 25 free credits. Our third tool of this video is Room AI. You can now fully grasp the potential of AI-powered collaboration. Actually, you can utilize AI to completely renovate your home. To begin using it, simply sign in with your Google account. Once you're in, it'll take you to this page where instead of generating a new AI room, just select Restyle. Now, using this upload box over here, you can either select a picture from your gallery or actually take a picture of your lounge, kitchen, room, and once you've uploaded your room, you can then scroll down to styles and pick exactly what design style you'd like. You have a whole bunch of different ones to choose from, like modern or gothic, to see how your room would look like if it was completely run down. You can then also choose a color palette for your redesign. And if you scroll down a bit more, you'll see a few other options you can play around with, but then just click on the Restyle Image button, and in just a few seconds, it'll completely transform your room based on the different styles and colors you chose. It'll change the paint color of your walls, the design, colors, furniture, decor, and it's just such a cool way to get ideas on how to style your space. For most of them, the free plans are very limited, but there is a platform that's extremely versatile with a ton of features, and the free plan gives you 500 generations per day, which is really big good news. Our fourth tool of the video is called Playground AI. You can explore the work of different people on their homepage. It's a canvas-based platform where you have a full workspace to move around and create in. It looks intimidating at first, but it's really powerful. These are included under the free plan. When you're on the canvas, you can drag the corners here to change your size and aspect ratio. Under the frame is where you can type a prompt. Anthropomorphic frog playing a banjo. On the right are some options you can learn and mess around with. I'll just use this one for 4 generations at a time. On the left is where we can choose the style to apply to the image. It has a huge impact. This whole workspace was basically just me testing out the different styles. Hit generate and it goes pretty quickly. Every one of these looks amazing. Let's say I like this composition but want some variations. The image to image button will use this as a reference image. Then I can adjust the strength over here. You could adjust the prompt or style too. Now I've got 4 more to choose from. So we've got some cool images, but there's a lot more we can do. You can also add architecture related prompts as well, just like that. Now add the filter you want. There you go, we've got some cool images. Now that one image I am going to export. There are tons and tons of other features in here. If you want to learn more, a really good resource is their YouTube channel. If you want to know more about AI tools, money-making methods, and tips related to them, then like, comment, and subscribe to our channel. I have a lot of great content in the works.